Hello everyone. In the web series of vocabulary, our phrasal verb today is fob off. Fob off. Before I explain this phrasal verb, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel Nexus and press the bell icon to get updates on the future videos. So let's start. The phrasal verb fob off basically means to dismiss someone by giving false or inadequate answer. Means something that is not coming up to the reality. It is about the false answers. Are just claiming something to do but not going to do that thing or that claim. So this is the phrasal verb of the day, fob off. You can take example of fob off in a sentence as the administration tried to fob off concerns without real solutions. Means the administration did not want to solve the situation or go for the real solutions, but they just gave false answer, or they just tried to convince the students about the policies and didn't work on the solutions. So this is how you use phrasal verb fob off. If you want to use synonym words for the phrasal verb fob off, you can use words like dismiss, evade, act. And for antonyms, you can use words like address, confront, or face, or clarify. So this is our phrasal verb of the day, fob off, which means to dismiss someone by giving false or inadequate answer. Thank you for watching.